Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome a Español 135 to Spanish 135. My name is Tara Greatorex, and I will be your instructor this summer. I'm looking forward to having a great summer with all of you. I just wanted to take a minute to show everybody some quick things about our D2L page so you can all familiarize yourself with how the course will work. So make sure you read through the welcome announcement, and after you do that, the first thing we're going to click is content. And then we're going to click here where it says start here. So you'll see this video, but 2025. And then the next thing you'll see is the calendar. So make sure you look at that for all of our important dates. And then this is something that's really important, the summer class specifics page. So the summer format is an accelerated format. It's different than the fall and spring. I actually do not recommend that you take this course in the summer if you've never taken Spanish before, or if you're taking other classes, or you're working full time, because in the summer, it moves really fast. We have to cover all the content from the fall and spring, but in like 6 fewer weeks. So you really should only take this class if you have a lot of time to log in and work on your assignments every couple of days. So like in the fall, spring, maybe you work on your online classes once a week. This is not like that. You have to have a couple of hours every couple of days to be able to log in multiple times during the week and submit things multiple times during the week. And if you've never taken Spanish before at all, it's going to move really fast for you. So yeah, please read through everything there. And then there's a little quiz that you have to take to agree that you understand. If it's not right for you, just take it in the fall or spring. In fall, we even have a face-to-face section at Stanton. If you've never taken Spanish before, I recommend that version. But yeah, just really think about if you want to do this course in the accelerated format. Okay, the rest of the things we have here is the instructor information. So you have my email and a text number there. I answer emails all the time. That's the best way to get in contact with me. And please feel free to reach out with any questions. I'm here for all of you. We also have the textbook information. It's only an ebook right now. You can get it through the textbook website or through the bookstore, and there's a course code there. And then there's other information here about how to add accents, the academic integrity policy that you will need to agree to. And there should be Spanish tutoring this summer in the virtual tutoring center if you need help with things like that. Okay, so the next thing we can look at is the assignment information. So the first thing we have here is the calendar that does have all of the percentages, weights of the assignments and all of the due dates. So you can see here, the one thing we have is the online homework packets. These are due every module, and you have unlimited attempts on those. You can do them until you get the grade that you want, and you can leave and come back into them. Then we have quizzes every module. Those you cannot come back into. You can only take them one time. Speaking recordings every module, so you're going to answer some questions in Spanish. And then we have 2 pronunciation projects where you're going to read a text aiming for clear pronunciation. 5 discussion boards, actually 6 plus the initial discussion board. And those are in English about cultural topics. Then we have the field-specific project. This is an interview project in English. Where you'll interview someone asking them how they deal with patients that come in that don't speak English. And then we have a final video as well. So you can see all the dates here. Like you can see the dates for every 2 modules and then broken down for the due dates within the modules. Every time there's a discussion board, there's going to be an earlier due date for your initial post versus your responses. Really important as we look at the calendar for modules 1 and 2 is that the first set of assignments is due Wednesday of this week, like immediately. So make sure you get those assignments in right away. And it's also really important that the module 1 and 2 items will establish your attendance in the course. If you don't submit those items on time, you will be removed from the course by the registrar for non-attendance. That, even if you register for the course late, that deadline is a hard deadline from the registrar's office. So make sure that you get everything in on those due dates. Okay, so I recommend you print that calendar, keep it next to you, sleep with it under your pillow. And then here you can read more about each of the types of assignments that we have this semester. Okay, so then on the side here, you'll see the modules. So every module is grouped by 2. And then within the set of 2, so like, for example, modules 3 and 4 is May 27th to June 5th. Within that module, you'll see like module 3 is the first half of that and module 4 is the second half of that. But I'll have other videos for each of those sets of modules. So just make sure you look through all this, and then you're going to go ahead and get started with modules 1 and 2. Before you can see the content for modules 1 and 2, you have to take that summer class specifics quiz quiz. It's just basically agreeing that you understand the format of the summer class. Okay, so go do that and then come back and watch the modules 1 and 2 video. And I'll see you soon. Adios.